Hey everyone, David here with Headset Advisor, and today we're going to go in an in-depth review of the Plantronics 8200 UC Bluetooth wireless headset. So let's dive in. This headset is a Bluetooth headset, which means it's going to be wireless, has a battery contained inside here, and it's going to connect to your mobile phone via Bluetooth and also the computer via a USB dongle. I already have it hooked up to the computer so we can do a noise quality test, but it has a small USB dongle that is designed to make sure this headset is optimized for your computer software like Ring Central, Microsoft Teams, Cisco Avaya, and a lot more. Even your Zoom calls it's optimized for, which just means that you can push a button to answer end calls, or you can adjust the volume of your software with the headset itself. It will always work on anything. If you want to listen to like YouTube videos, it'll always work on anything like that, but you just might need to control it directly from the computer rather than the headset itself. So let's dive into the headset here. So the ear cups rotate about 90 degrees like you see there. It does not go the other way. It has soft leather ear cushions and a nice color there. It also has an L and an R, so you know how to put it on properly so that you have the right controls and know where everything is at. The ear cushions feel really soft, feel really comfortable. Looks like the ear cup kind of rotates vertically here. All of us have different sizes and shape head, so they try to make these as adjustable as possible so it'll fit most everybody. Looks like it does have a retractable headband here. So let's see here. Got to put the R on. Let's put it on here. Okay. And the ear cups are designed to go all the way around the ear. Let me see if I can show you. So like other headsets, they're a bit smaller ear cushions. So this one's designed to go all the way around, and what that does is it helps you eliminate all the background noise around you. So if you have other people talking, maybe a screaming baby in the background, or you're on a train or plane of some kind, then you'll reduce a lot of that background noise so that you can focus in on your music or your phone calls. Overall, I'd say this is a very comfortable headset. It is 10 ounces in weight, so it's the weight of about two iPhone 10s. It's just for comparison's sake. The reason that it's big is it's designed to help you concentrate and focus in on your calls. So that's why they made the ear cushions bigger, as you see here. And they also put in an active noise canceling technology, which what that does is it has some microphones built into the speaker housing here. So when you turn on that feature, which is a little switch, it says active noise cancellation mid or high. So if you want to reduce more of the background noise around you, you simply turn that on and it's going to electronically remove that from what you hear. It works very well, and I like that feature, especially when you're trying to focus in on a loud call. This is a Bluetooth technology, so it's going to give you about, they rate it up to 98 feet of wireless range, but typically I see somewhere in real world environments, an office, your house, you're going to get maybe 30 or 40 feet, which for Bluetooth is really good because most Bluetooth devices is going to give you like 5 to 10 feet. It's like you get it right outside of your office or your room or whatever, and then the range is just pretty much shot. So this one does a very good job of getting you a little bit more range. It does have a cushion here at the top, which is always nice, especially for these bigger headsets. It's kind of like a cloth material there, but overall it feels really comfortable and seems like a premium, nice product. This is designed for music, so it's going to have a lot better bass and sound quality for music compared to some of the other Office products. So this is a Bluetooth headset connecting to your cell phone and also your computer. It has a 3.5 millimeter cable, so you can plug it in and connect it to a computer or a mobile phone with a wire. And the reason you'd use that is just in case your battery dies, that you can still use the headset and have your call. Or maybe you have a 3.5 millimeter device and it doesn't have Bluetooth, so you can use the cable and still be able to use that device. It also has a micro USB charging port here. And what that is for is just for charging. So you plug it into a computer or a USB AC adapter, and then you can charge the headset. It has a power button here. So you just switch it to the on. As you can see, some LED lights there. And then also you could toggle it up, and that'll put it in Bluetooth pairing mode. But what I want to do next is I want to, really quick before I move on, this button right here is a mute microphone button. So what that does, if you're on a call, you can click that and then the person on the other end won't be able to hear your voice. So your microphone will be muted at that point, which is a nice feature to have. And then also there's a couple of buttons on the side here. And that's going to be your volume controls and your play and pause button. So if you want to pause your music, for example, or answer a call, you would use those buttons. Overall, I'd say the design has this nice kind of red look inside there. It makes it feel just nice and premium, and has this kind of wood grain. If you can see that, is wood grain to the side. It kind of makes it just look a little more fancy. So what we're going to do next here is we're going to do a sound test, and we're going to put the audio for the recording of this camera through this headset so you can hear the sound quality of this headset. Right now this video is being recorded on a DSLR camera with a little external microphone, so you'll be able to hear the difference between the sound quality there. As well, I'm going to play some music so you can see how well the noise canceling microphone works, and that's going to be what your the person you're talking to, kind of what they hear. And this is a Boomless headset, so it does not have a microphone boom that most headsets have. So we're going to see how well the noise canceling works on this headset. So we'll go ahead and cut the video, and then we'll set it up so that we can test through this headset. Okay, so now the audio is going through this 8200 UC Bluetooth wireless headset with the USB dongle, and I'm recording on a Discover HD 100 USB webcam. So now you'll be able to hear the sound quality difference between that and the DSLR mic, how the quality stacks up as well. I'm going to play some music. Really quick, I'm going to turn on the active noise canceling feature. So that's right here on the side of the headset. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on because the song I'm going to play for you is going to be a little annoying, but you're going to be able to hear the sound quality difference of background noise. So this is at full volume on the iPhone, and it's actually really, really loud in this room that we have here. So if it's doing any noise cancellation at all, you'll be able to hear that through the microphone. So I'm just going to play it for another second or two here, just so you can kind of get an idea of how well that noise cancellation works. So the active noise cancellation feature that this headset has is actually eliminating a lot of that background noise. So me personally, I don't hear the volume very well. I'm going to pause that just so you're not getting too annoyed. What that's doing is it's reducing the background noise of what I hear. So I didn't hear that noise very well in this headset. So if you got a noisy environment around you, it reduces that so you can really concentrate on your music or your phone calls. And it didn't make it very distracting for me. So that's the problem with noise around you. Is it distracting? Maybe you're eavesdropping on somebody's conversation. It helps you with active noise cancellation, just focus in on what it is that you're doing. Especially if you play music in these things, you pretty much won't be able to hear what's going on around you. So there's the test for the audio quality, so that I'll let you judge for yourself, and then we'll switch back and show you the last of the features. Okay, so now we just got through hearing what the sound quality is like on this headset as far as noise cancellation goes. Overall, my thoughts on this headset is it's a very nice headset. It's designed for somebody who listens to music, does maybe a lot of phone calls. They really need to focus in on their work. It's going to give you all day battery life. It's 20 hours of talk time continuous. Or if you're using the on-off switch, you can last up to a month with this battery. So if you're traveling, it'd be good for you. You got the carrying case here. So overall, this is a very good Bluetooth UC headset, so you can use it with your mobile phones and your computers. Overall, I would say it is definitely worth the money, and we will be doing a comparison video of a variety of UC headsets that are similar, so you can see how this headset stacks up against some of the other options out there. That's all for now. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos of headsets and other telephone related content. Appreciate you tuning in today. I'll have some links for the products in the description below, but that's all for now. Take care.